Today we're working on 6.5, and it's really similar to 6.4, but now there's going to be an equal sign. So here I have two fractions, and there are x's in the denominator of each of them. This button. So whenever you have an equation with rational expressions, the first thing you need to do is figure out which numbers cannot happen. And we're looking for numbers that turn the bottom into 0. Are there any numbers we're not allowed to plug in here? 0 and 4. So I'm going to write up here, x cannot be 0 or 4. Each one of those is going to create 0 in the denominator, and that breaks the whole equation. If you have a single fraction equals a single fraction, all you have to do is cross multiply. So I can cross multiply, and I get 8x minus 32 is equal to 24x. Okay. Now we subtract 8x, and I have negative 32 is equal to 24 minus 8 is going to be 16x. Divide by 16, and I get x is negative 2. Is negative 2 an acceptable answer? Yes. We look up here. Is negative 2 in the forbidden list? No. So negative 2 works. What if my answer was 4? Then the solution would be no solution. So you always have to check your answer against the list of forbidden numbers. Oops. Okay, let's do a different one. Same idea here, but I don't have a single fraction equals a single fraction. So I need to turn this side into a single fraction. What would the common denominator be? So right now my denominators are 1, x, and 5. What would the common denominator be? 5x. So this one needs an x over x. This one needs a 5 over 5. And the first one needs 5x. So on the left side, I have 10x plus 30 over 5x. And on the right side, I have 7x over 5x. Now, you could cross multiply here. Oh, wait a minute. What numbers are not allowed? Just 0. All we worry about is the denominator. So x cannot be 0. Okay. Now, you could cross multiply, but look how messy that's going to be. I'm going to get 35x squared, and I'm going to get 55x squared plus 150x. Or sorry, 50x squared plus 150x. But these two fractions have the same denominator. So if this divided by 5x is the same as this divided by 5x, then I can just get rid of the 5x's. So if everything has the same denominator, just get rid of the denominator. And now we have 10x plus 30 equals 7x. So we subtract 7x. 3x plus 30 equals 0. Subtract 30. So 3x equals negative 30. So x is negative 10. Is negative 10 an acceptable answer? Yes. Okay, let's do another one similar to that. Oh, what would you do here? I have a single fraction equals a single fraction, cross multiply. Okay, so x cannot be 4. We cross multiply. 3 equals 4x minus 16. So we add 16. Divide by 4. X is 19 over 4. Is that okay? Yes. This is the only number that does not work. All right. Here I need a common denominator. What is the common denominator going to be? 15x. Good. So what does the first fraction need? 5 over 5. What about the second one? X over x. And the third one? 3 over 3. Okay? And I know that x cannot be 0. The first fraction becomes 10 over 15x equals x over 15x plus 12 over 15x. And because everything has the same denominator, I can just get rid of them. Can you guys remember that? If everything has the same denominator, just get rid of them, remembering that x cannot be 0. So 10 equals x plus 12. Subtract 12. X is negative 2. Is negative 2 okay? Yeah. All right, this is same idea. So my denominators are x plus 5, and 1. What will the common denominator be? X plus 5. So this one needs an x plus 5 over x plus 5. And then I can delete the denominators, but I need to remember that x cannot be negative 5. And the equation becomes 2 equals 5 plus 3x plus 15. So I'm going to subtract 20. We get negative 18 equals 3x. So x is negative 6. Is negative 6 okay? Yes, negative 5 is the one that doesn't work. So far we haven't run into a no solution, but it could happen. So make sure that you do figure out what number can't work every time. Last one. All right. Cross multiply. Why can I cross multiply on this one but not the last one? If you have one fraction equals one fraction, then you can cross multiply. If you have one fraction equals two fractions, then you need to find a common denominator. So, negative 2x plus 28 equals x squared minus 5x. So, we have an x squared, so we need to move everything to the same side. So plus 2x minus 28. We get x squared minus 3x minus 28. Can you think of two numbers that multiply to be negative 28 and add to be negative 3? X plus 2, or x plus 4, and x minus 7. So this actually has two solutions, negative 4 and positive 7. Are either of those forbidden. What can we not plug in? 5 and 14. So you would just do -4, 7. All right, that's it. Get to work.